ఉంటాను
కలుపుతున్నారా? అట్లా లేపక దగ్గర దగ్గర
అన్న నువ్వు పట్టేసి అన్నకు
నేను పడతా ఇంకొకటి కొంచెం
Friends, fellow countrymen, heartfelt 74 Independent Day wishes to all of you. It is really a privilege to address you all in this Independent Day when we are going through a lot of difficulties. As you know very well, we all born here in independent India. We have many centuries freedom fighters sacrificed for getting independent for India. So after independence also, we have modern India architects who actually contributed a lot to develop India. Now this difficult situation, we know we have our army men safeguarding us in borders, in Siachen, in China border, and we have the COVID warriors now guarding us during this pandemic situation. So let us salute them all. Let us give tribute to them all. And that is why we can have a good life in India. So let us tribute them very much for those fellows. It is our duty as a scientific community to contribute to the nation building program. This time, this pandemic time, also remind us that we should be self-reliant. That's the reason why our Honorable Prime Minister have come with the Atmanirbharan mission, where we should have the self-reliance for all fields of our work. Today we should also dedicate in our operational oceanography and oceanographic service, which is our main mandate, how we will go for Atmanirbharan. We have started this kind of work, this kind of self-reliant, developing self-reliant systems. Like last time you may be knowing that we have developed Gemini, that is one of our own effort. It is 100% the made in India program. Like that, all this aspect, we should have our own strength, our own expertise, and we should also make that nobody outside should control us in any field, including our operational oceanography. You know that this operational oceanography services have lot of implication in economy, in blue economy, the growth of blue economy, and as well as our national security, because we are giving a lot of support for our military forces, especially the Navy and the Coast Guard. So we are really proud. We are actually an institute having lot of contribution for the nation building. In this aspect, I also like to tell you that our growth for the last 1 year was tremendous. We have made a lot of products, like what I told the Gemini. We also have the systems for the forecasting the sulfur, the system for algal blooms. We also developed the system for small craft advisory. We also have also made the contributions we made such a way that invoice with the IOC, we made this system for a village which is tsunami ready. That was one of the first 2 villages that is actually made that certification from the IOC. So these kind of things actually definitely make India self-reliant in many ways. Also, it is actually the world, entire world is proud of India now. We also made a lot of progress in the modeling. One of the most important things what I can tell is we have developed a coupled modeling system for predicting the cyclones, and that is HICOM HWRF system that is actually now used by India for many of the cyclone track predictions. Like that, we also made a lot of this thing in the progress in modeling and data assimilation systems. We also have a lot of things we have done in the data. We made that digital ocean mission. It was actually digital ocean was also developed by us, and also we also very good we are doing in the training at the ITCO Ocean also doing very good. All these achievements, the backbone we are seeing the CWG team, that is a computer team, and the administration. I have seen that during this pandemic time, without their help, nothing we would have seen. And I am very happy that with this pandemic time also, our services, without anything, any hindrance, our services gone to the public. And let us salute all our scientists, all our scientific staff, all our scientific assistants, all our administration who has really contributed to continue this our services, and that is very commendable, including our secretary. MOES has made this comment during his speech. That is very good. And also this pandemic time, I also like to appreciate the COVID team and the COVID warriors, especially our sanitization team, our security team, and the COVID committee, who has made tremendous contribution so that now we are safe and we are standing here to celebrate this. And I am very happy that without their support, this would not have happened. So it's a very commendable work they have done. I think we are also want to give them some kind of tribute today. And you know very well that what has happened last year. We have our director, Dr. Satish Shenoy, who contributed a lot and led our nation for 1 decade, around more than 1 decade, and he superannuated last May. And I also remember his contributions during this New Year this Independent Day celebrations. And also we are very happy that our colleague Dr. Srinivas Kumar will be taking our director, and I'm also happy that he is actually one of the founder member of this institute, and we will also give all support to him to take this institute to higher level. So with this all things, again reminding you that we should have a Atmanirbharan, we should have a self-reliant in our work, mainly developing all our ocean products, ocean models and ocean services. And I salute you again, and I wish you again a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
సైడ్